everyone. Today I'll be going to show you how to grow methi or fenugreek leaves. Yeah. So these are the methi seeds, as you all must be aware of, and it has lots of good medicinal values and benefits. So I'll not be talking about it. So let me show you how to grow it. So what we do, we take these methi seeds and we soak in water overnight, yeah, or any point of time you want to soak it for 4 to 5 hours, and after that you drain the water and then you keep it, you can cover and keep it. So what you see, these sprouts within 1 or 2 days. So you can either use it this way, or maybe you can just use the soaked one, yeah, but this will be better because it will come out very fast, yeah. So it is one of the easiest way, to grow the leaves.
Today I'm planting methi seeds.
So you're growing methi seeds today, right?
Yeah.
So how do you grow methi seeds? Can you show, please?
First,
Yes.
you spray the seeds over here.
Okay.
Nicely everywhere.
A little bit more, Mama.
Yes. Full. More. Towards the side as well.
Finish this.
This side? Very good. Done? Is it sticky?
No.
It's okay. So now after this, what you do? Come here. You have to cover this. So what you will do? You take the soil and spread on this. Take the soil, spread on this. Nicely. Take more.
Sorry.
Yes. Spread nicely. Yes. More. Very good. Towards the other side also. Yes. Take lots with both the hands. Spread nicely. Yes. More. Very good. Towards the other side also. Yes. Take lots. I'm pouring water full everywhere.
Now we can put it in the sun and the leaves will grow like this.
So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.